wondered how Nora Fatehi sounds so confident in English? Today, we're unlocking the secret behind her stylish English. Want to sound smart like Nora? Let's break it down, learn its meaning, and use it like a pro. This is Learn English with Nora Fatehi, where you learn real English from your favorite celebs. Let's dive in.
This is amazing. I would ride on that wave.
Ride on that wave, meaning सफलता या ट्रेंड का पूरा फायदा उठाना जब तक मौका मिले. Example, he's riding on that wave of popularity after his viral video.
You'll either just break your back.
Break your back, meaning बहुत मेहनत करना या बहुत ज्यादा कोशिश करना किसी काम को पूरा करने के लिए. Example, he broke his back to complete the project before the deadline.
Or go to physio all your life.
Physio, meaning एक प्रोफेशनल जो दर्द कम करने और शरीर की एक्सरसाइज से इलाज करता है. Example, she visited a physio to treat her back pain.
Go. My handbags have broken my account. Or
Broken my account, meaning मेरे अकाउंट में बिल्कुल पैसे नहीं बचे, पूरा खाली हो गया है. Example, shopping so much has broken my account, there is nothing left.
even open multiple lanes.
Multiple lanes, meaning ज्यादा रास्ते या ऑप्शंस होना जहां से अलग-अलग चॉइसेस या रास्ते चुन सकते हो. Example, she keeps multiple lanes open for her career, from acting to business.
Has had to do like interventions on me.
Interventions, meaning किसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने या बीच में हस्तक्षेप करने की प्रोसेस या एक्शन. Example, the teacher's intervention stopped the fight between the two students.
But he was fully embracing Indian culture.
Embracing, meaning खुशी से अपनाना या एक्सेप्ट करना किसी चीज को. Example, she is embracing new challenges in her life.
He put this futuristic.
Futuristic, meaning भविष्य को ध्यान में रखकर बना हुआ या आगे की सोच वाला. Example, the new car has a futuristic design with advanced technology.
He's super cool. He's also very driven.
Driven, meaning एकदम motivated या focused रहना अपने goals को पूरा करने के लिए. Example, she is driven to succeed in her career.
Otherwise, you'll be stuck in the cycle of.
Stuck in the cycle, meaning एक जैसे काम या प्रॉब्लम में बार बार फेस रहना. Example, I'm stuck in the cycle of work and stress every day.
And I'm putting all my eggs in different. Yeah.
Putting all my eggs in different, meaning अपने resources या उम्मीदें अलग-अलग चीजों में बांटना ताकि रिस्क कम हो. Example, I'm putting all my eggs in different baskets by investing in various businesses.
You can't have all your eggs in one basket.
All your eggs in one basket, meaning अपनी सारी उम्मीदें या इन्वेस्टमेंट एक हाई चीज पर रखना. Example, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Try multiple job applications.
Here, you just have to be quick on your feet.
Quick on your feet, meaning जल्दी से सोचना और तुरंत सही फैसला लेना या एक्शन लेना. Example, in a crisis, you need to be quick on your feet.
You have to start opening new avenues for yourself.
New avenues, meaning नए रास्ते या मौके जो नए chances या संभावनाएं देते हैं. Example, learning new skills can open new avenues for your career.
I'd flown the whole entourage down to Bombay.
Flown, meaning उड़ना या एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जल्दी से जाना. Example, she has flown to Mumbai for a business meeting.
Through my persona.
Persona, meaning लोगों के सामने दिखाई गई पर्सनालिटी या इमेज जो असली खुद से अलग हो सकती है. Example, he has a friendly persona at work but is very private at home.
You gotta milk it.
You gotta milk, meaning हर मौके का पूरा फायदा उठाना जितना हो सके. Example, opportunities like this are rare. You gotta milk them while you can.
What to do? We're hustling. This is the time.
Hustling, meaning मेहनत से लगे रहना या जल्दी जल्दी काम करना सफलता पाने के लिए. Example, she's hustling hard to grow her business.
There was buzz and people were.
Buzz, meaning एक्साइटमेंट या चर्चा किसी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज के बारे में या हल्की सी आवाज. Example, there's a lot of buzz about the new movie.
And it was insane, but
Insane meaning बहुत ज्यादा पागलपन या असमन्य चीज जो आम या नॉर्मल नहीं लगती. Example, the crowd went insane when the singer arrived.
experiencing a back-to-back schedule.
Back to back meaning लगातार बिना रुके एक के बाद एक चीज होना या करना. Example, I had back-to-back meetings all day.
And then hopping on a flight, coming to India.
Hopping meaning जल्दी से किसी चीज पार जाना या एक काम से दूसरे पार मूव करना. Example, I'm hopping on a flight to Delhi tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Comment below with your thoughts and follow for more. See you in the next video.